Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is your boy James from Forte, and as you guys can see, I'm over here at Euro Empire. So today, Matt let me know that they were dynoing a brand new 2021 M440i. So they're gonna be putting it on the dyno today. So this M440i is wrapped. It has some Vossen, I think HF5 wheels on it. It has a downpipe and also is running JB4. So we're gonna be putting it on the dyno today, and we're gonna be seeing what kind of numbers that this M440i is gonna put down. All right, so let's go ahead and get to the dyno. That was a lot better run. Well, torque went down, power went up. All right, guys, as y'all saw right there, the M440i put down about 399 horse, about 481 torque. One of the techs that was driving the car said that, the JB4 does not eliminate the limiter, and we're running to the speed limiter, the soft limiter. So the car probably can make way more power, but with the limiter in place and then I'm doing that high gear pull on a dyno, you're gonna hit that speed limit pretty quick. You're not gonna be able to get the full power. So until the car gets tuned, then we'll be able to dictate what the true power is. But even right now, with the JB4 putting out that amount of power with the speed limiter still on, it's pretty impressive, man. So y'all saw the details, y'all saw the dyno, y'all heard it. Car sounds good, car looks pretty good. It's not my cup of tea, but car still putting out pretty good power. So definitely can't complain with that, man. So again, please like, subscribe, comment down below. Make sure to follow Your Empire on Instagram. Make sure to follow me. Appreciate y'all watching, and I'll holler at y'all later, man. Peace.